Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So hope you are all doing well. So in the last video we had discussed about the Azure devices, and we had gone through this each blades available here, and we discussed about those things. And additionally we had discussed what type of devices available in Azure. So there are different type of devices which is available in Azure. So just to give you the glimpse, the one is Azure AD registered, and Azure AD joined, and hybrid joined. So Azure AD registered will be happen automatically when you are trying to log in any one of the Office application from your personal laptop. It will be registered automatically. Whereas Azure AD joined is you have to manually go ahead and do it from your settings and client machine. And hybrid joined is can be done in through using group policies as well as Azure AD Connect. Through that we can achieve the hybrid AD joined devices. Right, so we had deeply discussed about those topics in the last video. In this video, so I'm just gonna cover what is the user experience on Azure AD registered and Azure AD join. What is the differences we will be seeing in the portal and individual devices when it comes to Azure AD registered and Azure AD join. So hybrid AD join we cannot demonstrate here because Azure AD join need on-premises setup. We need a Active Directory and all. So in this case we don't have any on-premises setup as of now. So I'll be just showing Azure AD registered and Azure AD join. So without a delay, let's move on to this topic. So first let me, so here you can see here in this devices portal I'm not finding any devices under that. So I'm having this device with me. So I'm going to take this device as a testing device for this demonstration. So I'm just typing the host name. It is showing Athira. So this is the host name of my system. So now the device is not Azure AD registered. If the device is Azure AD registered, that will be showing here. Since the device is not Azure AD registered, it is not showing here. So there is one more way you can find out from the manage user account whether the device is Azure AD joined or Azure AD registered. So if it is Azure AD joined or registered, it will be showing here. So as part of the first demonstration, I will see how Azure AD registration happen. So let me go to this or any of the Office application. That could be Word or Excel or whatever it is. Let me first sign out from this. Okay, I have signed it out. So now I'm relaunching the Word. You can do this exercise for Excel, Outlook also. The same kind of experience you will be seeing in those applications as well. So when I'm opening this Word application, it is asking me to sign in. So the moment when I'm trying to sign in, it will ask me to activate the Office. So if you are using Microsoft 365 Office suite, then the user should be having the enough license to activate the Office suite. So in this case, I'm just trying to log in with my credential. Will activate. We have assigned the proper license for this account, so it should be able to activate Office apps, right? So let me complete this. It is asking, it's just giving the notification bar. Stay signed in all your, it's asking to Windows to remember the password of this account automatically. Then whenever you are trying to open this Word application, it will be automatically open. It won't ask password every time. So that's, it's kind of notification it is giving you. Okay, so you can either go with this yes or no. I'm going with okay. So now you can see the device is registered with Azure AD. So here you can see this message, hold on, we register this device with your company and apply policy. This may take a moment. So here now this Azure AD registration is happening. So within a moment you will be seeing that it's all set. You can see we have successfully logged in with this account. It's now completing the activation. no need. So we have already signed in with my account and it's successfully activated. If I close and reopen the Word file, now it will be working fine. It won't be showing any issue. Okay, so now you can see here the unlicensed is gone. Earlier it was showing, because of now we logged in with this user account. The user account is having the proper licensing. It has happened. Now the device is registered with Azure AD. Let's confirm that from here. I'm just refreshing. You can see here the host name, it's reflected here, and it's showing the Windows version and who registered that and what's the type. This is very important. So as I said, it is happened as Azure AD registered. So you can see here the registered time 9:38, just 1 minute ago it has happened. Okay, so this is how the Azure AD registration happened. Okay, so this can be confirmed from your end user device as well. There are two ways is there. One way is you can check that from the command prompt, and another one is from the GUI also you can able to verify whether the device is Azure AD registered or Azure AD joined. So first let's check from the command prompt. So this is a command you can use to verify the status, machine status. Okay, after I run this command, it is giving me enormous amount of detail. Here it is showing the device is not Azure AD joined, not Azure AD joined, it is not an enterprise AD joined, and it is not a domain joined as well. And if I scrolling it down, you can see here it is showing workplace joined. So you don't need to confuse with this workplace joined. So workplace joined and Azure AD registered both are same. Okay, so here you can see because of this device is Azure AD registered, it is showing workplace joined. Okay, and other relevant details you can be find here. Here also you can find in the lost set of information, you can find the device is not domain joined. Okay, so this is how you have to check from the end user device. Okay, you don't need to run as administrator, you can just run this from the normal window itself. You can able to get this result. So we will be usually using this command to troubleshoot hybrid joint device issues or domain joint issues and single sign-on issues like that. Okay, so when those kind of issues comes in, we usually check this dsregcmd to verify the status of the machine, and whether it is Azure AD joined or domain joined or workplace joined, we'll be checking that. Okay, this is one of the way to find out whether the machine is Azure AD joined or Azure AD registered. So another way is you can again go to, just type account here, there you will be getting an option manage your account. Go there, you will be finding here the option, there will be option under access or work school. You can see here it is just showing work or school account and it is showing the disconnect option. So if you wanted to remove your device from Azure AD registered, you can do it by just clicking the disconnect. Okay, and as administrator you can delete it from here also, but it's always advisable to do it from here. It will be reflect automatically there in the portal. Okay, so this is the two ways you can find out. So you just you just remember this page. This is now I'm showing it for Azure AD registered. In this next 1 or 2 minutes we will see how to join a device Azure AD join, and we will see the same places and we'll see the differences. Okay, so right now it is showing here, and let me disconnect. Okay, I'm just removing this client device from Azure AD register. I'm just removed. It take a couple of minutes. Let's wait for that to complete. So now it's got completed. If I go ahead and refresh, it shouldn't be there. It may take some time, so we don't have a time to wait for that. So yeah, it got completed. Now you can see here it is not showing up. Now it is not showing up. You can see 0 device found. So this is a way the Azure AD registration happened, and these are all the places we can see whether the device is Azure AD registered or not.